Hello guys, I'm Afreen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Afreen's Cooking Paradise. Today we are going to make corn toast. Before starting a video, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Today we are going to make corn toast. Let's get started. Take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of onions, 2 tablespoons of capsicum, 1/4 cup of boiled corns, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon mixed herbs, 1/4 teaspoon oregano, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon of red chili flakes, and add 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese and mix it well. Take a 1 bread slice, spread butter on it. Butter should be at room temperature. Put corn mixture on the bread and spread evenly. And add more cheese. Take a tawa, heat the tawa, add 1 teaspoon of butter and spread it. Put the toast on tawa. Cook the toast for 5 minutes on low flame. And take it out in a plate. Cut the toast. And it's ready to serve. If you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.